Welcome to Scots Weekly, and I'm Maylenzo Fogo.
And I'm Anthony Romero.
Here are the announcements.
Are you interested in about hearing the University of San Diego? UCSD will be hosting a presentation here in the library, Tuesday, November 1st, during fourth period. If you would like to attend the presentation, please stop by the College and Career Center located in the library to sign up.
News alert! The newspaper is now featuring new articles on football, tennis, and the recent geology field trip. Visit www.hhs-new.com for more featured articles.
Now it's time for a quick scary story.
Hello there, my name is Miguel Garcia and I'm here to talk about my sleep paralysis incident. So I was probably around in December, right? I was around 10 or 11 years old. And it was a regular night, you know. All of a sudden I woke up feeling dehydrated and everything. And I tried getting up and next thing you know, I couldn't get up. I couldn't move or anything. And then until I realized I could only look around my room. And I was looking around my room, wondering what's happening. And I looked at the left corner of my room. And you see a little figure right there, like a little gremlin. At first it was like a black figure. It was like a small little black figure. And all of a sudden you see it has red eyes, long nails and everything, you know. And all of a sudden I just wake up and I just feel I'm covered in sweat and everything. And oh my God, I can never forget about that stuff.
We have a special report about the Highlands Fall production title.
You're a good man, Charlie Brown.
Hello, my name is Isabel and I am here with
Isaiah Esparza.
Madison Moreno.
Jocelyn Barrison.
My name is Landon Harris. I'm Charlie Brown.
I play Schroeder.
I play Sally Brown.
I'm Linus.
Is this the role you auditioned for originally?
I'm not gonna lie, I only knew the role of Snoopy, and I didn't go for Charlie Brown, so I went for Snoopy, but I'm really glad I got Linus.
Originally, I didn't really care what I got, but I'm very happy that I got it.
Yes, Sue is one of them.
Yeah.
Do you like being in this role?
Yeah.
I love it. It's so fun being able to play the piano, even though I'm not really playing because I don't know how to play.
Yes, I do.
100%. I'm kind of like Linus IRL, an annoying know-it-all.
Has it been hard putting your time practicing into your schedule?
100%. I'm really bad with time management and managing a social life and school, and it's my senior year, so games and stuff like that, and the show and memorizing. It's a lot of work.
Yeah. Seems like a lot of work.
Sometimes in the mornings when I don't really want to get up, yeah. But otherwise, no, it's pretty convenient for me.
Most days it's hard, but it's also easy at the same time.
Who do you have the most fun working with?
With the other interpreter named Kirsten?
Probably Mr. Thompson, honestly. He's so cool.
I really like working with Jada and Katie, the Snoopy and Lucy.
Oh, okay.
Probably Nasir Miller in his role as Franklin. Probably one of the best roles on stage.
Oh, okay. Why is it the best one?
You have to come and find out.
What is your favorite costume design?
Probably Sally. I really like Sally's dress and her funny curled hair.
Probably my Charlie Brown t-shirt.
Do you like the costumes?
Yeah.
I think the costumes are so cool. They're really easy.
Yeah.
Are they simple costumes or more?
Yeah, they're simple. They're simple.
Okay.
Yeah, I really do.
What's your favorite part of the play?
Probably my blanket in me, because I get to act like a little kid, and skip on stage. And I never actually had a blanket growing up. I didn't realize that was a thing people actually did. I thought that was just in the cartoons.
I like everything, really. Just the songs and the dances, they're really fun.
I like the baseball game because we get to run around like little kids, even though we're grown. So it's kind of silly.
Everything.
Do you feel nervous to play and do all this stuff?
Yeah, a little bit.
I feel a mixture of both. I think that there's a good balance between nervous and excited.
Do you feel nervous about the play?
Nervous yet excited.
A A little bit. I normally get nervous on stage, but like right now, I'm not really that nervous, you know? So I guess a mixture of both.
Why should people come to see the show?
To support the actors.
Here are the dates and times for the show. Go out and show some love to the cast and crew. That's all for the show, everyone. Have a great day and remember to plait up.